This is one of the best car accessories that I've purchased recently for both myself and my wife. We've got one of these in both of our vehicles. It just attaches into one of the vent slots, and this is the little hook that attaches to the backside and just holds it into place. You unscrew it like that, and then you tighten it down once you get in the car. I'm going to show you installing it in my wife's minivan here in just a sec, but it's a real simple little 2-3 piece little device right here. And all you do, you just pop that little ball piece into place right there, tighten this thing down so it stays into place. And when we get into the van itself, I'll show you how you can lock this down and tighten it into place once you've got the phone installed on it. Now, if you don't have a Magsafe charger on your phone, it comes with these little cleaning deals. You got wipe one right here that's got some alcohol in it, and it just wipes everything off. Then you got another one right here labeled number 2, and then you clean this little spot off and just make it super dry and clean, no little lint pieces or anything like that. Then you just unpeel the magnet, pop it into place around the old Apple logo or whatever Android user's logo is, and then you are in business. They say that you should be holding this down and just adhering it into place for a good little bit, like, 30 seconds or a minute or something. Refer to the instructions when you get to this point. But once it is adhered in place, you just pop this back into your phone case if you're using a phone case, and you're good to go. Now, when you're in the car, you unscrew this thing for as much as you need so that that little hook hooks onto the back side of those little vent flaps. Then you tighten it down. You don't want to break the plastic flaps. You could probably over-tighten it, but just get it so it's snug. And then orient this however you want to orient it. You can go straight up, you can go to the side, just however is going to be best for visibility in your vehicle. And then you tighten that little bolt around that ball socket. Then throw your phone up here and you're good to go. And you can change it around, just move it however the orientation needs to be. We've been super happy with this.